Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer 4-layer chocolate cake. That actually lights up. It's going to be my moist, fluffy chocolate cake covered in smooth chocolate buttercream and decorated with some simple fondant decorations, some chocolate antlers, and of course, real Christmas lights. Stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about my KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. Also, this is going to be a collaboration between myself and a bunch of other great, amazing bakers. We're all going to come together and show you some festive, creative ways to really bring the Christmas spirit to your home this holiday season. Now let's go ahead and dive right in and get started. After your cakes are done baking and they've cooled, you've leveled, and you just want to fill each layer of chocolate cake with chocolate buttercream. Give a nice generous amount onto each layer, spread evenly, and add your next layer. And you want to continue to do this until all your cake layers are stacked and filled. Then we're just going to cover the cake in buttercream and smooth. Now usually with my buttercream, I like to place it in a piping bag and start from the bottom, and while rotating my cake turntable, pipe on the buttercream in an upward motion. Now a lot of folks have been saying, I don't always readily have piping bags. What can I do? So today we're just going to skip the piping bags and we're just going to add buttercream on the top of our cake and begin to rotate our turntable as we smooth that top layer of cake. Once you have that nice final coating on your cake, scoot it to the side, grab yourself some parchment paper, and begin to work on your chocolate antlers. So what I did here was just take a marker and I outlined just a silly little antler design for my Rudolph. You'll want to flip over that parchment paper so the marker side is down and begin to trace your antler outline with some melted chocolate. Once that's outlined, you just fill it in with that same chocolate. Once your antlers are filled in, go ahead and pop that in the fridge, let those set and really chill and firm up while we get ready to put on some finishing touches to our Rudolph cake. Now for the fondant decorations, we're just going to keep this super simple. So we're going to grab some green fondant and we're going to make a little collar around the bottom of our cake. Then with some yellow fondant rolled into a ball, we're going to place that right onto the green strip. Now let's go ahead and grab our chocolate antlers from the fridge and gently press them into the top of our cake. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add on his bright red Rudolph nose. And lastly, for the final touch, we're gonna use some rolled out black fondant and twist it into a U shape for Rudolph's eyes. This way it looks like he's wearing a big smile on his face. And of course, don't forget the ears. Then you just toss on some Christmas lights and you are all set. You are good to go with a simple, easy, stress-free, holiday-inspired cake. Chocolate, all chocolate, chocolate buttercream, chocolate cake. You can't go wrong with it. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make a really simple, easy, holiday-inspired Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer cake. I figured, let's do something simple for a stress-free Christmas holiday season. If you're a fan of all things Christmas, all things holiday, or just a fan of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more simple, easy cake decorating tips, tricks, techniques, definitely be sure to subscribe down below and ring the bell to turn notifications every time I post a new video. Plus, I still have 19 KitchenAid Stand Mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 19 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own holiday-inspired cake, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna grab a slice of this cake, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same, and as always, I'll see you on the next video very soon. Bye!